If you're wondering how to use the GetResponse AI email generator to create smarter, more efficient email campaigns, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go over exactly how this tool works and stick around until the end because I've got some exclusive offers and alternatives that could be a better fit for your needs. First off, GetResponse is one of the biggest names when it comes to email marketing, and its AI powered email generator is designed to save you time and effort. It can quickly craft emails based on your preferences, saving you from having to start from scratch each time. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice when using GetResponse's AI email generator is its intuitive interface. You simply input a few details about your campaign, whether you're promoting a product, sending out a newsletter, or writing a simple update, and the AI gets to work. It's really that easy. You can choose your tone, your focus, and even the length of your email, all within seconds. Next, GetResponse offers a ton of customization. Once the AI generates an email, you can tweak and refine it however you want. You can edit the text, add images, and even personalize it further with dynamic content. It's definitely a powerful tool if you want to create highly targeted emails, but the AI can feel a bit rigid if you're looking for something more creative or unique. It's not perfect. Sometimes it generates generic content that needs some additional flair to stand out. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing you need to know: automation. GetResponse allows you to automate the email sending process. So, once you've got your email set up with the AI, you can schedule it to be sent at the perfect time to your audience. This can be a real time saver for busy marketers who don't want to manually track every send. But here's the thing: while GetResponse does automate the process and use AI, it still has its limitations when compared to other email marketing platforms. For example, the AI doesn't always capture the voice and style you're looking for in your emails. And depending on the type of campaign, you might feel like the results are a bit cookie cutter. The fifth thing I want to point out is the analytics that GetResponse offers. You can track how your emails are performing in real time, checking open rates, click-through rates, and more. It's a pretty solid tool for understanding what's working and what's not, but in my experience, the insights could be more actionable. You'll likely need to manually dig deeper to figure out the best improvements for your future campaigns. Lastly, I promised you an open loop for alternatives. While GetResponse is a solid tool for email marketing, especially if you're looking for something quick and easy, it's not for everyone. If you're after more advanced features or even greater flexibility, there are a few alternatives that you should definitely consider. In fact, I've found some great email marketing platforms that not only match GetResponse's features, but actually offer more flexibility and better customization options for your email campaigns. Plus, these alternatives offer extended free trials, giving you the ability to really test them out before committing. Before we wrap up, I'll remind you that you can access an exclusive and extended free trial for GetResponse using the link in the description. But make sure you check out the alternatives I mentioned as well, as they might be a better fit for your specific goals. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching.